In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do options on Charles Schwab. By the end, you'll understand what approvals you need, which platform to use, how to analyze a trade idea, and how to place your first order confidently. First, make sure your account is approved for options. You can request approval right inside your Schwab account by searching for Options Approval. Schwab will ask about your investing experience, financial situation, and risk tolerance, then assign an options level. Those levels control what you can do: basic long calls and puts at lower levels, and more advanced strategies like spreads at higher levels. If you're new, start simple and remember that you can always request a higher level later as you gain experience. Next, get comfortable with how options work. An option is a contract that gives you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a security at a specific price before a specific date. A call gives you the right to buy. A put gives you the right to sell. Traders use them to hedge, generate income, or speculate. But options can be risky, so keep position sizes reasonable and know what you could lose before you enter a trade. Choose the platform that fits your style. Schwab.com offers a straightforward web experience, and the Schwab mobile app is convenient if you like to trade on the go. If you want deeper analytics or multi-leg strategies, Thinkorswim on desktop, web, or mobile provides advanced charts, risk profiles, and strategy tools that make complex trades easier to visualize. Now, analyze your trade idea. Pull up the options chain for your stock or ETF, then compare expiration dates and strike prices. Shorter expirations move faster but carry more time decay. Longer expirations cost more but give the trade time to work. Consider your risk to reward, your thesis for direction and timing, and how volatility might impact the price. Tools in Schwab and Thinkorswim can help you see potential outcomes before you commit. When you're ready to place a trade, go to Trade, select Options, enter your symbol, and choose your strategy. Set the expiration, pick your strikes, choose the number of contracts, and set your price. Review everything carefully, including estimated costs and buying power, then submit. Many platforms include an options trade builder to streamline both simple and multi-leg setups. A few quick tips to wrap up. One options contract typically controls 100 shares, so small changes in price can add up. Schwab generally charges a per-contract fee even if there's no base commission. You can practice with paper trading to build confidence before risking real money. And always understand the risks, including the possibility of losing more than your premium with certain strategies.